Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Pi Network. Pi Network is an innovative cryptocurrency and developer platform designed to be user-friendly. It allows you to mine Pi coins directly from your smartphone, making digital currency accessible to a broad audience. The project utilizes a unique consensus algorithm to ensure the security and integrity of its transactions, aiming to build a robust peer-to-peer ecosystem for everyday use. To begin your Pi Network journey, first download the official application from your device's App Store. Next, create your account using either your Facebook profile or a verified phone number. You will need an invitation code from an existing member to complete your registration and join the network. Once set up, simply tap the Lightning button once every 24 hours to continue mining Pi coins effortlessly from your phone. Within the Pi network, various roles contribute to its strength and security. Pioneers are the fundamental users who mine Pi coins daily from their smartphones. Contributors enhance network security by forming a security circle of 3 to 5 trusted individuals. Ambassadors play a crucial role by inviting new members, expanding the network's reach. Lastly, node operators run specialized software on their computers to validate transactions and maintain the blockchain. Pi Network is currently progressing through its enclosed mainnet phase, a significant step towards its full launch. The project's overarching vision is to cultivate a robust, utility-based ecosystem where Pi coin serves practical purposes. The ultimate value of Pi coin is expected to be determined by its widespread utility and the strength of its community. Remember, completing your Know Your Customer, or KIC, verification is essential to access your accumulated Pi coins.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.